But maybe you got a small evap leak. So this is a 2010 Elantra. Replace the gas cap. This one's Kia, Hyundai Kia, same thing. Pop the gas door. Now, of course, you know how to take this off, but it's this little wire here. It's kind of clipped in. I don't know how well you can see it, but you just gotta pinch those two ends together and pop it right out. So those are the two ends. Just gotta pinch those together, pops it right out. Take the cap off, throw that one away, just dropped it on the ground. This you probably don't even need a video for, but I'm doing it anyway. Put the new one in. This also has a little clip there. Push that in. There we go. New gas cap.